Get a mixing bowl, put in 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of plain flour, also called all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, caster sugar, white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now just mix it together. And now just chuck in a couple of tablespoons or so of chocolate chips. Milk chocolate or dark chocolate, doesn't really matter. Now just mix it through. Now get a couple of microwave safe bowls, ramekins or something. Roll into a ball and put them straight in. Well, don't roll the ramekins into a ball, these. And just flatten it down. Now just pop one at a time in the microwave on high for 60 seconds. If it's still not ready, like if you want it to be a little bit crunchy or you want it soft, depending on how you want it, you might need to do it for 90 seconds.